תפילה, אמן, שעולה, אמן, כל הנשמה תהלליה, אמן, ותן ברכת שלום ושמור על ביתנו, קרב אותנו לחלום שבתוכנו, תן תמיד ברכה במעשה ידינו, פתח ליבנו שתמיד נשיר לך, אלוהי, אמן, תקוותיי, עטוף אותנו באהבה, אמן, תן לנו חיים ושמור עלינו, תן שתתגשם אהבתנו, תן לנו ברכה האר פנינו, פתח ליבנו שתמיד נשיר לך, לעולם אמן, לכולם אמן, חזק את רוח האדם,
My verse, which I selected with Chazan Herman, is Vayomer Elohim Tatzeh Haaretz Nefesh Chaya Lamina. These words describe the creation of all animals and life in the world. I chose this verse because I love animals, and the story of creation is a great way to start prayer. When I put my Tallit on, it reminds me that God created the world and God created me.
I chose the verse Shiru LaAdonai Shir Chadash because I like to listen to music. When I wrap my Tallit around myself and listen to prayers that the people around me are singing, I can feel connected to God. Ki tavo chokhmah belivcha v'da'a lenafshecha yinam means wisdom will fill your heart and knowledge will fill your soul pleasantly. Rabbi Lowenberg, a KSDS graduate, and I chose this verse together because learning is very important to me. When I study, God is helping me learn, and I know that knowledge will fill my soul, but it's up to my heart whether to decide to use the knowledge for good or evil.
Rabbi Grunberg helped me choose the verse Ahavat Olam Beit Yisrael Amcha Ahavta, which means everlasting love because it has my Hebrew name Ahava in it. The verse tells us that God loves us and we in return should share the love with everyone else. Without love, we would not be able to appreciate each other. Ahava makes the world a better place.